I greet you and I wish you well. Eyima Idemudia brings you informative news from the crypto space on this channel, Bitcoin Pikin. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space, not just in English, but in Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo. You can also get the transcript of this video down below on the show comments or show more link below. You can see the transcript of this video. You can see it in English, Hausa, Yoruba, and Igbo. Or you can also check below or somewhere above for our website www.bitcoinpikin.com, for our website www.eyimaidemudia.com for transcript of this video in English, Hausa, Igbo, or Yoruba. Once again, thank you. The vision of Litecoin and Bitcoin are pursuing through implementation of the Lightning Network has the potential to process payments on a magnitude of millions transactions per second. There is a proposal to implement near-field communication or NFC, which allows nearly for instant payment by simply holding a smartphone near the merchant process device. The old methods of swiping credit cards are lingering in the US, but scanning QR codes in the China leapfrogged relatively in secure credit card technology, with most payments being processed through mobile app, a method that is completely in line with crypto transactions. Near-field communication payments are already popular in Asia and Europe, with the US again lagging behind in payment technology adoption. Developer Higokota wants to standardize a way to connect Lightning with near-field communication. Litecoin and Bitcoin will inevitably be transacted lightning fast. Ethereum was designed without a market capitalization on the total supply, in contrast to Bitcoin's 21 million and Litecoin 81 million coin limit. Ethereum wasn't designed specifically to be a cryptocurrency, but rather a platform for decentralized application, dApps, often called a world computer. Lead developer Vitalik Buterin initially floated the idea of a supply cap for Ethereum on April Fool's Day. Since then, the idea has developed into a serious discussion. Currently, Ethereum's Zone ERC20 tokens are programmable with limits, which could lead to ICOs riding on the Ethereum platform actually eclipsing Ethereum in value. The bottom line is, with no supply limit on Ethereum, the problem is simple one of inflation, eventually rendering Ethereum worthless. Economic viability is important to survival, and that is the basics of Vitalik Buterin's proposal of capping the supply. Bitcoin Cash will be forked on May 15th. The fork will accommodate a 32 megabyte block size upgrade. Block size upgrade on Bitcoin Cash offers solution to meeting increasing transaction demand, having rejected segregated weakness and forking from Bitcoin last year. Several Bitcoin script operation codes are being added or reactivated. Bitcoin Cash will be enabled with the ability to create simple smart contracts that can perform automated functions. See you in my next video. Bye bye.